Hello and welcome to Videojug. We're going to show you how to make spicy fried chicken with sweet chili sauce. Step 1. You will need the following ingredients to serve 4 people. 225 ml of coconut milk, the zest of 1 lime, 2 shallots chopped, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 3 red chillies chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, salt and pepper, 1.5 kilograms of chicken cut into 16 pieces, 500 ml of oil for frying, 600 ml of water, 20 cucumber slices, and 100 ml of sweet chili sauce. And here is a summary of all the ingredients in a handy list. You will also need the following utensils: a large saucepan, an oven dish, a pair of tongs, a deep pan for frying the chicken, and paper towels. Step 2. Make the stock. Place the saucepan on a high heat and pour in the coconut milk. Now add the lime zest, the shallots, the garlic, the chilies, and the turmeric. Season with salt, and finally pour in the water. Bring the mixture to the boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Step 3. Cook the chicken. Use the tongs to place the chicken pieces into the stock. Bring the stock back to the boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Step 4. Remove the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the stock and place it into the oven dish. Now leave the chicken for 20 minutes to cool and dry. Step 5. Fry the chicken. Heat the oil in the deep pan. We have used olive oil, but you can also use vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, place the chicken into the pan. Cook the chicken in small batches. Otherwise, the oil will cool down too much and the chicken won't become crispy. Turning occasionally, fry the chicken for 5 minutes or until golden. When the chicken is golden brown, remove from the oil and place on paper towels to drain. Step 6. Serve and garnish. Make a circle with the cucumber slices. Then place the hot chicken in the centre. Drizzle the sweet chili sauce around the edge of the plate. And finally, garnish with a sprig of parsley. And there you have spicy fried chicken with sweet chili sauce, made the Videojug way.